City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
I think we're back in lockdown.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Good morning, beautiful people of the internet. Wowzers, it's not actually early morning, it's 9:30. I'm actually on my way quickly to go and see. I've got to stop driving so fast over those speed humps. I'm driving to the complex that I looked at the unit earlier in the week that I shared in like a little day in the life vlog. They actually have a property for sale within that complex, which is the same size, number of bedrooms as the one that I looked for rent. So I wanted to have a quick squeeze through and just look at a slightly different layout. It has like a kitchen that's kind of separate. It's not really separate, it's just not super open plan kitchen. That wouldn't necessarily be like a complete deterring factor in a property. And I just want to have a look at how it compares like size wise, floor plan layout. So it's open for another 15 minutes, which is good. I can just whip through in like 5 minutes, just have a quick look. And then I have to go and get my camera lens looked at to see if I can just replace the lens and the camera works fine, or if it's a bigger problem. Anyway, I will pick you up again when we get to this apartment to view it.
If you want more than to stay
nice people. Nice guy, nice lady. And now, finally. Back again. Woohoo. Which one looks better? I wonder if you can even tell the difference. Phone, camera. Woohoo. Yay! Right, let's go home and get a little Freddy bear and maybe go out somewhere for a nice walk in a park. And maybe, since we're having a crazy spending day, get a coffee or an iced coffee somewhere. Or I could BYO my own. Goodness gracious, $198 just gone. Well, it is a lesson learned to be extra super careful. When there is a tripod on the table, be careful. This is our chance. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. See if we can see Freddy. And it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Sit. Sit, buddy. Sit, Freddy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Let's go outside. Let's go outside in case you do a little pee-pee. Wait. Shh. Come on. Good boy, Freddy bear. What a beautiful day. Careful. I don't want that. No, no, no. Let's just be careful, please.
For the first time in Golden Gate Park, I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stony, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine,
Come on, good boy.
how I love this
Oh,
city
your
of
friend. Say hi, my friend.
mine. It never
Furry
gets me
friend.
down.
Be gentle, Freddy. You be gentle. Camera is back. Camera is back. We got the camera back. Now we can film normally and in better quality. And the house needs a tidy up. But first, Mommy needs a coffee and a little snack. A little breakfast snack.
How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love.
Baby. Oh, the baby. Hi, my baby. Did you say hi, Mommy? You're so warm. You're so warm. You have been in the sunshine, having a little snooze while Mommy does the shopping. You say hi, everybody. Say hi. Say, I'm not always a crazy lunatic. I am not always a crazy lunatic. Say, I'm not always a crazy lunatic. Sometimes I'm very quiet and very good. Sometimes I'm very quiet and very good. Right, honey bun, Mommy has to finish doing the meal plan. You know what we have to do? We have to go into the pet store and get you some food because you're nearly finished your food. Because you're a big boy now and you eat more food. It doesn't last as long. Oh, Mommy loves you. Mommy loves when you're in a snuggly mood like this. Alright, had enough of you, Mum. Had enough. Let me down. Let me down. I'm in big boy mood now. I'm back in my big boy mood. What are we going to have for dinner? We're having some salmon. And we're gonna have some corn. And what else? Some broccolini. Some broccolini. And maybe some oven chippies. And Riley will not have salmon. He will have some tuna. Because he's not a salmon fan. But he can have a little bit. Tuesday, we're gonna have some chicken and prawn, pad thai, and use up the tofu. We are gonna make some, we're gonna make some cinnamon scrolls. Gonna have some butter chicken. Because you know you can go in the shop. You know you can go in the shop. Freddie, don't do a bark and growl. You don't be embarrassing for mummy. Did you have fun at Bunnings, Freddie? Did you have the fun time at Bunnings? Did you have such a good fun time? Did you have such a good fun time? It was very exciting, isn't it? It's very exciting. You're a very good boy. You said hi to all the babies. All the babies that want to come and give you a pat. All the grown-ups came and gave you a pat. You did say hi. You were a very good boy. Alright, let's go. We got your doggy food. We got the paint. We got the paintbrush to do the DIY, and we got a special other DIY treat. I don't even know who mummy is because I am not a DIY mummy. I do not do the DIYs. I'm not the mummy that does the DIYs. Let's go. I think we're back in lockdown. My kids just texted me saying no school Monday. Yes. And we're back in a 3-day lockdown or something? I don't know. believe it, honestly. If I had my business when lockdown was on, I'd be out of business. I'd be freaking, like, literally broke, no staff. It is absolutely ridiculous. What the hell? I don't even care for me, honestly, because like I've said before, I don't even go out. Like, I've been out a couple of times to look at properties. That's not really going out. I don't go out to eat or cafes, restaurants, go out shopping. I literally just get everything click and collect. But for small businesses that have got, you know, especially like hospitality businesses that have to order stock that's perishable, throwing stock out, not being able to work, not being able to hire your staff, not being able to put staff on shifts, they're mostly all casual. When you don't work, you don't get paid. And when you can't open your business, you don't make money, so you can't get paid. And landlords aren't going to be saying, oh, just don't worry about paying rent or utilities or insurances or anything like that. That all still has to be paid. How are these businesses staying in business? Adapting to change. I guess that is it. You adapt your strategy to change and you become a pickup only. But I don't know. When will this ever be over? Crazy. That's our old house, our old apartment.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer,